Hi there, I'm Ols Halas, aka the Circus Chef, and on this channel we'll be doing some cooking from the circus that I've learned over the past 7 years, and a few little bits of messing around too. So the circus restaurant, Circus Sauce, is the only travelling restaurant in the UK. It's housed in 2 big lorry wagons where we've kitted out in kitchen equipment, and off the side is this big awning which we fill with oak tables, candelabras, canvases, and it's absolutely amazing. And we travel with Giffords Circus through the circus season, and we cook and we eat our way around the Cotswolds, London, Oxford, and we find some amazing produce on the way. So if you've booked into the restaurant, you'll be coming to the last show of every day, so you watch the show and you're full of adrenaline, and then afterwards you come over to the Circus Sauce tent, and then you come in, sit down, and there'll be big bowls of freshly cooked baked bread, and then you'll be sitting next to people that you don't know, and then these big platters of bubbling gratins, a big starter, there'll be a big joint of meat, and you start talking, you start eating, you help your neighbour with their food, and then you just enjoy the entire night incredibly. It's wonderful. Giffords Circus is amazing. It's traditional, it's creative, it's absolutely bonkers. If you haven't been before, it's a village green circus which travels around the Cotswolds. It's like a Broadway show mixed with a circus. It's just stunning. Everyone involved is so into the production, and it's got a storyline, it's got death-defying acts, it's got the most amazing humour, and when you see it you're just captivated, you just cannot give it up. It's intoxicating, it's wonderful. So I was cooking at Giffords for about 5 years, and people kept on saying, you should do a book, you should do a book, and it's always been an absolute dream of mine. And then I pitched the idea to Nell, and she thought it was wonderful. Having a story of tour that goes through from rehearsals to the finish line, of everything that we do in rehearsals, in everything. And it's just a wonderful idea, and it's really, really come forward, and we've been very lucky with the people that we've had involved. David Loftus to shoot it, and Marco White to do the forward. And it's taken 3 years, but wow, what a book that we managed to create.